Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we've got our LC9 in the shop here and we're just dying to see what it looks like on the inside. So we're gonna get rid of these bigger parts and pieces. Take a good look at it. All right, won't need that anymore. Won't be needing that either. Woo-hoo-hoo! Messy. All right, now that we have the engine tore down here, let's talk a little bit about what we have. This is an LS engine, but it has one big difference from the earlier Gen 3 LSs. This is Gen 4, 07 Plus. They have something that's called AFM, also known as DOD, or Active Fuel Management, and all of that lies underneath this cover. Now, once we get it off, I will show you what's going on. So underneath here, it's going to be 4